Hello, my friends. Welcome to my another learning journey about Japanese. In this lecture, we learn something new. So about particles, which is they're helping us to go another point to understand what's going on inside language. So yeah, I'm not speaking like some linguistic, but yeah, I'm learning this language and I'm trying to help you also in some way to understand what's going on together. Well, let's start. What is this? The first one is a, another one is ni, which is before I explain anyway. Just I want to go with the this learning journey lesson, so you'll understand everything clearly. Our first one is ni, another one is a. This means like at, in, on. It can change for the situation, but we'll check all of them. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, let's start. What it's saying. Let's take a look at two more particles and some new verbs to talk about going places. Here we have ik. This means like to go, sorry, to go. Another one, ka, kaer, like kaer, kaere, right. This means like to return. This one, which is, if I remember good, kere. But this is like some irregular verbs, like it will change, it will be key like that. This one is like to come. Okay, this is three verbs like to go, to return, to come, like that. Anyway, we can check it. Take a look at these three verbs I told you, like ike, like to go. It will be iki, because I told you it is like ichidan. It will change for the situation. Just the last one, which is it will be irregular, and another guys will change. This one, yeah, like kaeri, kare, kaere. It will be kaeri, kaeri. Okay, to return, go home, and la la. And this one, like ire, no, sorry, kere. It will be ki. Okay, it's irregular. I told you. The first two are both golden verbs. The first two are, I mean, this guys, like we can see here, we have re. And here I showed you, like, this one, kere, is one of the two irregular verbs we learned earlier. So this will become what kere. Like this point, let's check what will be. The first one, which is, I told you, ike, so ire, no, sorry, ike, iku, like that. It will be iki, okay? Just like what? The second in alphabet, it will come there. I told you. And it will be ikimas, like to going, to going, okay? It will be like that. If you say ikimasen, it will be negative, okay? It will not be positive. When we say ikimas, it will be positive. When we say ikimasen, it will be negative. Like to going, to not going, the don't going, like that. The another one, which is kaerimas. I told you kaeri happen here. Kaeri, re, this one here. Let's check. Kaerimas, like to returning, like that. It means. And the irregular one, which is I told you, this one, kere, will be here ki, only ki. Kimas, it will be to come. Okay. Now, let's say these verbs will help us get started talking about where we go. Okay. Again, we are viewing our amazing two verbs here, the helper verbs like ni and e. When we talk about moving from one place to another, we do not use particle de, because it's like you can say restaurante. Like let's say I'm going to restaurant. It will be like watashi wa restaurante ikimasu, right? It will be like that. But in here, we don't have this situation. Like we cannot say like what watashiwa, like watashiwa. After that, restaurant, like restaurant ni, like it will be unmanly. It's not good. It's not good. I mean, we cannot use it. Signs that refers go to one place where an action happens, like at. You don't go at a place like just the place we're representing, like at hospital, at home, and something like that. Okay, you need to use different like ni or e. Well, instead we can use of two particles. The first is ni, which is useful, multifunctional. It will help us for the add on in the point like that. Yes, it's the same particle we already used talk about time. Ni has multiple uses. They shouldn't be hard to differentiate how. One will have a time before it to other, the other will have a place. That's okay. You can remember the difference between ni compare it to de. So because you go to a place and ni also means to in Japanese, which is I told you like at, on, something sometimes. The other particle you can use is pronunciate. It means just think you are going someplace, but you're not arrived there. Just you using for that, okay? But if you're arriving there, you need to use ni like that. Let's come down. To be clear, let's check the sentences for be mindly and clear. Here it's saying uchi ni kaerimasu, like I'm returning home. Watashi wa uchi ni kaerimasu. It will be like I'm returning to home, like it will be like that. So which is ni here. I'm returning to home, like it will be different. Okay. The another one, mis mise 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 mise, like after that ikimasu. Mise like lottery, I think, if I remember good. Like watashi wa mise ikimasu. I'm going to lottery like that. At lottery. So, uh, but just you're not arriving there. That's, I think mise maybe not that. So I'm not sure, and maybe we can see here. So both of these particles are used to indicate the direction or goal of travel. So ni and e can be used interchangeably, uh, except for one instance. If you are going in the direction of a place, but you are not going to arrive there. So if you are not going to arrive there, then use e. But if you are arriving there, then you need to use ni. For example, you can travel east, but you cannot arrive in east. In this kind of case, you can only use the particle e. This is teeny bit like important, but yeah, it's really important. Let's look here what we have. What is it? I forget this one. It's mise. I think ikimas. Again, we're going somewhere, but let's check it. Also, I want to show you. I'm using DeepL. This is very amazing translator, better than the other. It's store. Sorry, it's just pronouncing like Mizu, Mizuni, Kimas. I'm going to the store. It's good. It means store. I mean, store to I am, and this going. Here, the subject and object is different. I told you in English and in Japanese. When we put this all together, we get sentences like above. I go to the store, which is like that. Ganeshi, no, kajini, kajini, mise, e, kajini, mise, kimas. Let's check it if it is like that. Right, let's come here. put it here. I'm going to go to the queue, right, to see a book. Oh, this is thing crazy. I'm going to the before book. Oh, this is another crazy point. Yeah, I don't know what about this translates. Anyway, so let's come down to the here. So here the Kajin is the point, okay? Important. We can add our other usage of ni as well to talk about what time we go somewhere. Okay, let's talk about it. Kajini, ote, oteji, oteji, oteji ni, ikimasu. Like we're going somewhere, but let's check it. I'm going to the lottery. Oh, okay. Kajini will be like, oh, this one will be lottery. This one will be like the point, which is story. So the ni is here important point you should understand. You must understand. You can go to the temple to scroll anywhere as you would like using this phrase. Let's come here. Kujini, Kujini, Otewa, Oteji, ni Oteji ni Kimas, like you coming back from lottery. Now you're looking for the to come. Let's check it. What will be? Where are you? Kimas will be come. Yeah, I'll come to the lottery. Like yes, it's not going. It will be much better. All right, I'll come. I coming back to the from lottery. It's something like that. The verb here could to come will work in the same way, which is we can explain here. What we have here, kareba, kareba, mise, miseni, kareba, miseni, kimas. Like he gets to the lottery or something like that. Let's check it if it is true. I don't know really. So I'm learning Japanese really. I'm not good on it. He's going to the museum. Oh, this is museum. He's going to the to real. Yeah, here it's he. It's making is mr these things. This one here exactly museum, and this one again good talk to go and no, it's like two and kimas, which is it will be coming like from there like to come. He's coming to from museum like I don't know. It's something like that. The another one, I sorry, ikimas, I sorry, it's going. And this one, like I'm coming back from there. Let's check it if it is true. Mm, like he's coming to see you. Oh, this is bad. He comes to from lottery. Let's say like that. One thing to note about iki, iko, and ire, kere, sorry, to go and to come. They are always used in reference to where the speaker is. Okay, we already know, like, I'm going to lottery and I'm coming from lottery, something like that here. So let's look for the first one, like going part. So look at the first sentence. He gets to the store, which is, sorry, it's not I'm going, sorry. He gets to the store, so it's mean like that. And this one is he comes from to the store. So here, yes, the store, since the verb goes in reference to the speaker, you think of this as he gets away from you to the store, right? If you're the speaker and you'll understand like that. The another one, he comes from to the store, like from the store. He comes to the store, right? The second sentence, he comes to the store implies that you, the speaker, are at the store already, like you're in the store and you viewing it, like you detected it. In other words, he comes toward you to the store, which is another point. And here we have another example, which is it is America, America, Americani, Caerimas, like returning from US, like it will be something like that if I'm right. When we use like Caerimas, we use it to return home or to somewhere like home. So if you live in the US and travel abroad, when you return to the US, like you can use the sentence if the US is not a home to you, however, but you travel there again, you would not use Kaeri, right? Because it will be your home, like you will know it. This is my computer science video, sorry. Let's go. Don't look for variables. This is another part I'm teaching, guys, this language, programming languages and basic of things. Anyway, if the, so here I think we saw it, Kaeri, the best way. You can use Kaeri with places like your home, your work, your school, or anywhere else you spend a lot of time that could consider to be like a home to you. Kaeri helping us for that. Like said, Uchini, Kaerimas, or another point, anywhere, right? Restaurani, Kaerimas, but it will be your home or your point. It's all for Japanese in this lesson. Just know about ni for multiple uses, and also know you need to know about ike, like ike is changing like iki. The another one it's like kaere will be a kaeri. The last one will be to come in like ire. No, yeah, kere will be like key, okay? And you know already about masen, what helping us to make word sentences better for the positive and negative side. This is basic particles. Don't forget and don't forget ni. Ni, the uses of ni much more like than because it's you can use like in so on or at, like for the represent time and things, and egg just helping you like you are not arrived the point, like you just never arrived there, then you can use a, but if you're arriving then you can use ni. Okay, this is the way. Thank you so much for joining this lecture. I just tried to explain to you everything clearly. I hope I have been I've been efficient and convenient way or confidence to give you like in this way. Sorry if I have some pronunciation and grammar error again. So I'm just trying to learn every day step by step its way. So thank you so much. Have a good time. Have a good day.